Kartom pini bertar jikta pini prime time news tan bang pin daily imoni teron pi aprang se bertang tan pen cepajur midam te aprang bertang kumpi arjikta
Manjahidim teron arong Anjali Hassan sa Miss Teens Northeast India 2021 fashion kachepate ki haidon Peace Accord along achaga close ke Inglong aswapan ke mesen kalipua putak dong muka kalong sit in demonstration come public awareness ajay mek ke padopon NKBA ni Marli atum kaching room amay mate women seminar come event competition ke padopon
bertang kumpi arjikta le piputot bertang tan pen cepajur midam snang Pinidong muka kalong MRS ningkan surini ra inkoresia parman ajaga close jasame 2.3 putak rada tumpen cherok tokamay kang nipon. Dilhirong Sophia long central government state government lapen Karbi Anglong resim kang tangkiot asongang bong kedam tang chiti ni phai pliar ni monsa malam don kachatok along ajaga close ke chedon dun de mate inglong akhaya tumapan kaphere me meke dokok pa putak Chesong bom wang bom lo. Kopia Chinese ikachidon dunde mapu alam aputak clardak pen Karbi Anglong arat chini nang jipusi APHLC Jakas ASDC CCU HTI KSA KNCN Parta Social Cultural Organization pen chipatel piponsi kedam tang pereni phain kora tok arni pen nijang Karbi Anglong la pen pregjam atim along demonstration an Parta awareness amai padopon bom pen pinidong mukak along tarat atum aphan clardak kapachini ponji aphan bangso amai padopon Bangso amay along ASDC Bokolia District Committee amay Phuket Self Terang Lapen 24 Plus Organization Convener Litson Rong Parpensi Mai Charipon Bangso amay along Kachitong Dun Bari Minister Holiram Terang Jakas Mai Phu Khor Singh Teron CCU Mai Phu Rabindra Rong PKSA Mai Phu Simpson Teron Lapen Jenson Timong APHLC Difu Elia Mai Phu Sipson Hanse Lapen Penang An Man Peng Kedua Chetong Dun Denarong penberta pangdakwan Cintong News 24 Karbi Anglong. Nihang Karbi Baptist Association ni Marlia tumpen chipatir piponsi Nihang Longri Baptist kajalang amay Longdon Baptist Church along kipamanpon.
Nihang Karbi Baptist Association ni Marlia tumpen Nihang Longri Baptist kajalang amay lakhain korapon nilip MSC constituency kiparlo Longdon Baptist Church along si Haikuni ni Paipi lapen po arni ni Marli lapen metangka charja Bible angdeng akamangdeng pingko da trok angdeng sokret trok bonta thura arjam non po tepi en ponsi pamanpon. Labang suama long kacepahem potum lake mai pi monju lang nepi rap mai pi Jenny Rong Hang pi chunbang hana ingtipi dihin rimpang Kelvin Hanse Executive Secretary ex officio Kerokar Chomate worship team lake ni Hanglongri Baptist Reso Korjang kacelang amay puk Gandhi timong pencha ponsi lun pen alira cham pidun lapen mayasek arnam alam kiwana tumlaki Reverend Ben Ting Teron Executive Secretary NKBA Dr. Mona Lisa Terangpi Lecturer Difu Government College Hana Terangpi Women Secretary NKBA lapen mayalong alira chamate aluhiaman pen Reverend James Strongpi Reverend Tenson Bay Reverend Kamson Rongpar lapen lukrong paratum chetong don Nilipen berta pangdakpon Anelson Rongpar News 24 Karbi Anglong.
Karbi Anglong apan Anjali Hassan sa nong mekiwan pi Miss Teens Northeast India ningkan surini ra inkoresi fashion kachepati along kaya nong kachepalong don.
ITA Guwahati match kuwa along spark pen ke phapon Miss Teens Northeast India fashion show kachepati along manjahidim teron amekar hurka teron pilapen ratul Hasama Sopi Ipum Wet Manja Little Flower English School along Nerkep Angdeng Mate Class 8 Charlie Dunbom Lapen Ningkan Cricketom Artao Sopi Anjali Hasama Winner Mate Kihaya Nong Aputuk Chepalong Dunsi Karbi Anglong apan Nong Me Wan Pilo Lapen Eprang Kivangji Morni Sike Miss India Chepaman Dun Vegji Lapen Karbi Anglong apan Nong Me Kivan Vegja Pansi Kaiketa Mangmun Teheman Pusi Karjo Lamboy Nang Pidun
Ni aku ni kan kini Miss India sih dengan tu. India.
yang hari
nanti hack dan anjing itu konser baik tuh itu senang.
Okay. Okay, my journey started when I was 13 years old. So I went for a competition from Miss Kid Karbi Anglong. It was my first time. It was very new for me when I was participating there. And then I thought that yes, I can do it and I can be the winner. So after that, I got a title winner for Miss Kid Karbi Anglong. And then I got an opportunity for Miss Kid Assam. And I went there, and after that I got a second runner-up. And then again, Miss Northeast India, I got an opportunity, so I went there as well, and then it was a nice experience, and then I even won there. And then now my aim is to go Miss India, Miss Femina, and I want to win there as well.
Manjapen Berta Pangdakpon Sanjay Tiso, News 24, Karbi Anglong.
Pinya berda lapan si kang tonik lo, domi thakmi kardom.